everyone, welcome back to my channel and to some footage of a couple of days of doing Etsy orders in my studio. So the first thing you guys know, if you've ever watched me pack orders before, is that I just highlight any items where they are 2 or more so I can physically and quickly see that they've got 2 or more items so I don't miss off anyone's orders. I have been using this pull-out table lately to do my orders because then I can spread them all out in one area, because my desk is pretty small when you have a few orders to do. So I just set this table up. It's actually a camping table and I can spread it all around. So I use one of these Bic marker pens to write all of the names on the envelopes because it's nice and black, and it's also a thicker pen so it stands out more, and then I write the address in a slightly thinner pen. And then I always watch some kind of film while I'm doing orders, so today I'm watching Dirty Dancing for the millionth time, but it's just a good film, I can't help it. So I just sit down and I write everybody's names and addresses, but obviously I'm not going to write the addresses on camera. And now we are finally in December. I can start watching Christmas films while packing orders, which makes me so happy. If you see me writing your name, then let me know down in the comments, because obviously all of these orders have already gone. This was a few days ago, so let me know down in the comments.
깊은 바다 속에서 널 데리러 왔어.
So now I pull out my big folder, which is full of all of my pocket stickers, and I just start pulling out everything that is listed down on people's orders, and I get them all together, and then that way I know if I've got anything to print and cut, I do it all in one go rather than go order per order. I just do it all at once because it makes more sense to me.
Swimming, swimming, swimming like a bird. Dreaming, dreaming, I can fly to anywhere. You are, you are. That's right. Swimming, swimming, swimming like a bird. Dreaming, dreaming, I can fly to anywhere.
So it's getting super late, as you'll be able to see. There's hardly any light anymore. So I made myself a coffee, and I decided to go with the gingerbread coffee because I wanted to finish some Christmas designing. So you can see I'm watching a Christmas film over on my other screen. And yeah, went to bed super late, got back up early in the morning and came downstairs to the mess that I had created the night before. But obviously when you're in the middle of doing something, if you're a shop owner, you know the vibe that happens during the lead up to Black Friday and Christmas sales. So these are the new Christmas mystery packs that I have in my shop, and it's been really fun designing them because I hadn't done anything like this before. So creating the packaging and the stickers inside. I was originally going to be cutting these with my kind of zigzag scissors, but they were just ripping everything up, so I had to do it manually and just cut little tiny triangles. And this is where I had just finished creating my advent calendar, and I'm just giving it a bit of a test run to make sure that it cut out fine. I did end up making a few changes, but the front cover looks the same. Obviously it was just other little tweaks here and there, but then I worked again super late at night, and I was also making some extra things for my puppet squad, like these shiny baubles. So right now I'm just packing up my puppet squad packs. Like I said, I make some extra things for my squad. I don't know why, I guess I just do extra little things. So here I'm just sending them all of my new releases that will be coming up, and obviously you saw these named baubles and the outside packaging, like the little planner card, well you'll see in a minute, that was something that I designed for my squad as well. So if you ever apply to be in my squad, then obviously you're going to get little extras that don't come to my shop. They're literally just for you, and it's just a way for me to say thank you, because without my squad obviously I wouldn't have as many orders, or my shop wouldn't be as known as it is today without you guys. So yeah, it's just like a little extra thanks. So I packed up them an advent calendar, all of my new releases that were coming out, and then I always just stick a note in there somewhere, which lets them know what date everything is going to be coming out. It was pretty easy for this one because everything was coming out on the 24th. And then I go off and I post all of my orders and my puppet squad packs.